Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to delete a recipient from TapTap Send. So let's dive into it, but before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel because the channel helps me out. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to launch the app and log in into your account using your account credentials. Then from there, you have to tap the profile icon or the menu. From there, tap the recipient or beneficiaries, then select the recipient. So tap the name you want to remove, then you have to open the option. So tap edit/manage or the menu, then tap delete or remove recipient. So approve the prompt to finalize your removal, and that's how you can easily do that. And here's a quick note: past transfer stays in your history, so if you don't see a delete option, go to the help center or the support center in the app and request for removal. And that's how you can easily delete a recipient from TapTap Send. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.